Jinan Xintian Technology Company Limited is an integrated laser automation equipment manufacturer with ability of research and development, design, and production. And today, XTLASER has already become great sales volume manufacturer of laser machine in the north of China. Our products include fiber laser cutting machines, laser marking machines, laser welding machines, laser cleaning machines, carbon dioxide laser machines, pneumatic marking machines, and other customized automation equipment. Our company has a group of professional optics, electronics, and precision machinery researchers and developers, international optics and microelectronics test equipments, advanced quality management systems to improve the efficiency of the manufacturing testing process to create excellent quality products. It has a professional and consummate staff with rich experience dedicated to the pursuit of excellence and the quality of the product for the customer. Our commitment is to continue to improve the level of technology by research and development, standardization of scientific management, excellent product quality, and customer service concepts. XTLASER has won an excellent reputation in the global market, collaborated with well-known companies in Germany, the United States, Brazil, Britain, Russia, Malaysia, and other countries, and maintained a friendly long-term cooperation with Domestic Laser Research Institute. Over the years, our products have been exported to 120 countries and regions. Based on our wonderful group spirit, we will promote and popularize our products in more countries. We are looking forward to your visit.